Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHLL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. We've been doing this analysis on a routine basis, and the levels that I've been talking about continue to come into play and can continue to prove themselves to be very relevant to the chart itself. And the big level here that came into play, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but if you haven't, I've talked about that green line before as a key level of support at $48, and you look at where the price during this little miniature pullback, where the pullback actually stopped. We'll check that out. Literally bounced right off that green line there. So point here being that, $48 has definitely been confirmed as an important area of support. So continue to watch that moving forward, and it's going to be one of those levels that stand out that much more. So while it's not a guarantee of anything, my core point here is it definitely becomes that much more logical to think that if the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then continues on down, that could very well create that much more downside selling pressure. On the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance go, nothing has changed here. Still have that level up there around the $55 mark. Not nearly as much in play as what it was. But again, I mean, this one can actually move relatively quickly. So maybe, the price isn't necessarily that close to it right now, but that can always change. But really the pressing matter going forward into Friday, at least in my opinion, is keeping a very close eye on that $48 mark. Because again, if it gets tested and then does not quite hold up, there are going to be lots of people watching that. So it's at least an area to keep an eye on. But we'll see what happens with it. But overall, good. Let me actually squeeze down the chart to offer up a little bit more context. Still, bigger picture-wise, nice healthy consolidation. I mean, I get it. Days like this aren't nearly as exciting as when the price explodes. But, going sideways, still healthy within the grand scheme of things. So we'll see what happens with it moving in on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.